Good day, traders. Big Quant here from AltoX Capital with a quick update on the trade that we took today on gold. Today is the Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025. And as usual, this is not financial advice. We are doing these videos simply for education purposes only. And that being said, let's head over to the charts and see what played out today. So before I get started, today would rather be quite a short video, I hope. So let me explain what we are looking for. So we are using what is called the AltoX Spirol indicator. You can always get it from altoxcapital.com or simply talk to me on Telegram, Instagram, or WhatsApp, and I will give you a quick chat about it. So that being said, what we are looking for every single day in the market is an arrow. The arrow comes with two white lines. So if you can bring your attention here to the whiteboard, so whenever you load the spiral indicator onto your chart, what you see is the arrow, either an up arrow and the arrow comes with two white lines, or a down arrow and it comes with two white lines as well. So that being said, let me explain the scenario that we are looking for always. So today we actually saw the first scenario play out. And what then is the first scenario? So what we are saying is, for example, if the market is in a downtrend, like low, high, low, high, low, and on this new low forming here, price leaves us with the indicator gives us a down arrow like so. The arrow will come with two white lines. So if it happens that price comes back and then closes above this previous high here, like so, we expect price to come back into this here, and then this is where you place your buy and expect prices to continue up. This will be your first take profit, and if price keeps going up, then you take your second profit as price keeps going up. So today what we actually saw playing out, let me just erase this part here. Today what we actually saw playing out was not a downside arrow, but it was a bullish arrow. So what I'm saying is that we had our downtrend on gold. So I'm on gold M5 time frame. We had price moving lower, high, low, high, that is high, low, high, low, and as price was going up, it gave us a bullish arrow. The bullish arrow came with two white lines as usual. That's what the spiral indicator does. So this was our recent high here. So price ended up pushing up and it eventually broke above the recent high here. So what we were expecting definitely was to get a buy entry here. So when price came back down, we took our buy entry here and we saw price pushing back up. And this was the trade of the day. So let me see if I can head over here to my left on the chart so that you can see it properly. So if you can see right here, this is our recent high. As I said, this is the recent high, and the recent high was broken when price came right here. You can see this candle close above here, the other candle closes above the recent high, right? So as soon as the recent high was formed, you can see price came back here, right here. So where were we going to place our stop loss? Let me come back to the white chart here. If we had two candlestick closes below here, like 1, 2, if we had two candlestick closing below this these two white lines there, we're definitely going to cancel the trade. So if I can move over here to the left side, that is if we had two candlesticks closing below here, like 1, 2, then we're going to definitely cancel the trade, right? So as soon as price got here, you can see you had this huge rejection off of this these two white lines here that come with the spiral indicator. So this is where we placed our buy right here, and we saw price pushing all the way back to here. So you can ask, how did I know that this 33.28 area was my take profit? It's all the same. Let me just maximize this page and move over here. Let me just do something like so. So it's all the same. Remember, yesterday's move left us with this sell arrow here, and this sell arrow here broke the Asian low. There was a low which was formed, which was the arrow low right here. So you can see that price actually broke this low here and went all the way down. But while price was doing that, it left us with this selling arrow right here. So that became my next take profit and also my new entry for sell. So I'm going to explain how the sell came about. So as soon as we saw prices leaving this area right here off of these two white lines, we took our buy. I will attach the screenshot now so that you can see the positions that we took and the profits that we made on the day. That was around about 800 US dollars. So I didn't take into account this arrow here because I was working off of this initial arrow here. This is definitely a better entry for me. So I was not looking at the other arrow because we were looking for buys instead. So that being said, we saw prices moving from this point all the way to here, and let me see how many points we got on the day. With a buy right here, we got around about 17 points off of gold. So if you can go check out your chart, M5 time frame, July 29 is the Tuesday, you see that a price did reach the 3328.5 area. So again, this same area is where we were looking to take our sell trades here. Remember, I will just pull back the white board to show you how the sell trade came about. Remember what I said? We said if you are in a downtrend like so, low, high, and then you have, it means this is now your recent low, right? So if price is attacking this recent low here and then it leaves an arrow like so, the arrow will come with two white lines. So as soon as this low is broken, we are expecting price to come and react off of this place. So this is where you take your sell. As soon as you take your sell, you know that if price it gives you two candlestick closes above these two white lines, you can cancel your trade. Otherwise, take your sell and you can expect to take your first take profit here. And if price comes back down, then you do it, you get your second profit, and so on and so on. So I knew coming into today that if we did get our buy at this point, at this bullish arrow here, our take profit was going to be right here. So this same take profit area is again our sell area. So you can see that price yesterday left this arrow here and plummeted down instead. You can see that price sold off of this area yesterday, breaking the low. So which means that as soon as price got here, we were going to take our sell. So right at this area here is where we took our sell trade, and price pushed all the way to down around about here. So because of this arrow and this arrow here, I decided to just liquidate my positions right around here because I knew there was going to be a cluster of buyers right around this area here. So that's that is the trade that we took. Those are the two trades that we took here at AltoX Capital using this Spiral X indicator. And as usual, if you're interested in getting this trading tool, do head over to altoxcapital.com and get it from there, or you can simply contact me on my Telegram, on my WhatsApp, or any of our social media sites. And with that being said, don't forget to like, to share, to comment. I do post this kind of content every single day, just to help traders that already have this indicator to maintain their consistency, which is something that we're looking for over here. We might not have made quite a lot of points on the day, but we did maintain consistency with the help of the indicator. So that's what we're looking for. We don't want to think and overthink. We want to simply go to the market and look for one thing and profit off of that one thing only. And that being said, happy trading, and looking forward to seeing you again or talking to you again tomorrow. Cheers.